One is descriptive paragraph and one is reflective. Both are in your syllabus. This I think we have done in maybe PT 1 or 2 and this is in PT 4. So obviously both, one of them will come. Okay? So is there anyone, just think about it, this term, descriptive. According to you, what is descriptive? Yes. Okay, we explain the things briefly, okay. And reflective? Okay, reflective, no. Okay, I'll ask someone else also. Savya. Savya, descriptive and reflective, what is the difference?
Ma'am, I know the meaning of descriptive paragraph.
What is the meaning of descriptive paragraph?
Ma'am, descriptive paragraph is the paragraph in which we describe the whole.
We describe the things. Okay.
From starting to ending.
From starting to ending, well done. So with a descriptive paragraph, there is one word describe, okay? So this word has come from the word describe. You have to describe each and everything from the beginning to ending. Like visit to village, how you started your visit and how it ended. You have to explain each and everything in descriptive paragraph. In reflective paragraph, reflective is the word which has come from the word reflection. So हमारी brain में एक reflection होती है, ठीक है? After every incident, we learn something from our life. Okay, the lesson we learn. So reflective means your personal feelings. What have you learned from that incident? Okay, that is reflective paragraph. Now suppose I have given you one paragraph. Today I had the day I had a fight with my brother. Okay? So in case of descriptive paragraph, you have to just describe the whole fight, how it started, how it ended. But in reflective paragraph, you have to specify how you felt after the fight and what lessons have you learned after the fight. Here, just you have to describe each and everything. Then my mother came, okay. Then we just we fought a lot, and then my father in the evening came, and then we became friends again. Till here only. But here you have to explain each and everything. That I was very upset. A fight with a brother or sister always, makes you sad. So these type of sentences. So this is reflective. This is descriptive. Reflective, yes, you have to write your personal sentiments, how you felt, what lessons you have learned, and in future how will you behave, each and everything. Now we'll do today this one, reflective paragraph. Now you have to write in your fair whatever we are going to write. Now the name of the paragraph is the same, the day. Yes, Kata. Yes, Karthik.
यस मैम मैम मैंने पूछना है, जैसे आपने डिस्क्रिप्टिव और रिफ्लेक्टिव में बताया कि क्या क्या होता है, मैम जो रिफ्लेक्टिव है मतलब उसमें हमने इंसिडेंट के बारे में नहीं बताना कि वो फाइट कैसे शुरू हुई
You
थी.
have to describe it, but not in much. You can just use 4 to 5 lines only. But in descriptive
Okay, ma'am.
paragraph,
And
you
उसके
write
बाद
the whole. Yes, उसके बाद आपने बताना that what have you learned, how you felt, all that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the day I had a fight with my friend, or simply you can write this thing: a fight with, not friend, brother or sister. If you don't have brother, you can write sister. Okay. A fight with brother or sister. I'll try my best कि आपको मैं exam में लिख दूं that describe the whole incident so that you can come to know that this is descriptive paragraph. If I would write that, write your sentiments, then you will just come to know that this is reflective paragraph. Okay. So a fight with brother or sister. First of all, please note down this thing. In reflective paragraph, first of all, you have to give introduction. Don't write this word introduction in actual paragraph. This is a kind of format. Introduction in 2 to 3 lines. You can just write down note how to develop a paragraph. How to develop a paragraph. First one is introduction, 2 to 3 lines. Then you will describe the incident in 4 to 5 lines. ये actually हुआ क्या था, okay? Describe the incident in 4 to 5 lines. Then you will write your sentiments, how you felt, आपकी feelings, ठीक है? रिफ्लेक्शन में आ जाएगा बेटा, ये इरेज कर रही हूँ मैं. थर्ड पॉइंट इज रिफ्लेक्शन. रिफ्लेक्शन में आप 3 चीजें या 2 चीजें. फर्स्ट वन इज योर सेंटिमेंट्स. सेंटिमेंट मीन्स फीलिंग्स in 2 to 3 lines, of course. Then a lesson learned. If you will keep this thing in mind, then you will be able to develop a paragraph very easily. You will know that how many lines should be given to which part. Okay. So a lesson learned. And the last one is how to behave in future. Lesson learned is something different, but in future, what is your resolution? That is different. How to behave in future or your resolution for future, both are same. Now I'm going to repeat introduction, 2 to 3 lines. This should be general, that life gives us experience time to time. Okay, so life is the best teacher which gives us experience. Second is describe the incident in 4 to 5 lines. You have to describe each thing कि हुआ क्या था actually. Okay, then reflection part, sentiments, a lesson learned, and how to behave in future, your future resolution. And finally conclusion, that is I think this one, how to behave in future. Beta, that is same. Your resolution in future, it's 2 to 3 lines only. 2 to 3. Please note down these hints. In exams also you have to follow these hints. Then you will be able to develop a very nice paragraph. All the elements will be there. Description is there. Okay. Then all the things, your sentiments are there. Lesson you have learned, all will be there. You have to just keep revising this thing while writing paragraphs. Now we'll start our paragraph using these hints. Now I'm giving you 1 to 2 minutes to make the good introduction using 2-3 lines. And make the general introduction that life is the best teacher. It gives us experience time to time. Okay. Our experiences teach us how to become a good human being. Savya and Karthik, you can ask your doubts. Savya first, then Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Yes, Savya.
मैम रिफ्लेक्शन टॉपिक्स वही होती है ना जैसे पंचतंत्रता स्टोरीज होती हैं.
Reflection, beta, reflection means which just you think a lot after doing something. आप अपने mind में reflect करते हो चीजें that नहीं this is good, this is not good. How you
Okay,
feel,
ma'am.
that is reflection. Okay. Next is Karthik. Yes, beta.
यस मैम। मैम जो आपने ऊपर वाले जो पॉइंट्स लिखे तो उसमें रिफ्लेक्शन के नीचे जो आपने सेंटिमेंट्स और अ लेसन लर्न लिखा है मैम, वो रिफ्लेक्शन के अंडर ही आ रहे हैं कि वो अलग से पॉइंट है?
नहीं नहीं, वो रिफ्लेक्शन के अंडर है बेटा। Reflection means
ओके
your
मैम।
sentiments, the lesson you
थैंक
learn,
यू मैम।
okay, that is reflection. Next is Mitarthi. Yes, Mitarthi.
Ma'am, I want to recite some introduction lines.
Okay, you want to give introduction lines? Okay, give me 1 minute, beta. And who's real me 7, beta? You have to just rename yourself. Real me 7. Hi.
मैम ये मैंने ना थोड़ी लेट क्लास ज्वाइन की है, तो अभी आपने ये पॉइंट से करवाए हैं
Yes. Is it
सारे
Adgul?
पैराग्राफ बनाने के।
Is it Adgul?
मैम राघव।
Oh, sorry. Okay. Yes, beta. We did just this thing. You can just watch the video after all the classes, and आप शुरू में 5 minutes की video देख लेना, ठीक है?
ओके मैम।
Now please start making the introduction. The general lines should be there, 2 to 3 lines. I'll give chance to Mitarthi, but I'm giving you 1 minute for that. And don't write please that old line, life is a mixture of this and that. Don't write that old line. Try something new this time. Sometimes some incidents teach us so many things, okay? Let it be simple. पर अच्छी बनानी है तो सिंपल बना दो. Don't try to make those lines that life is a mixture of joys and sorrows. That is a very old line now. So Mitarthi, what have you made beta? If you have made the same thing.
My brother.
Okay.
A fight with my brother is a way to express my love. My brother is the one who loves me a lot, but one day it changes to be a big fight, which will never be forgettable.
Okay, fine. Well done. Next is Anmol, after that Arshia. Yes, Anmol.
Yes, ma'am.
What have you written, beta?
Ma'am, there's no other love like the love for a brother. There's no other love like the love from a brother.
Okay, well done. So no one can replace the love of brother or sister. Love of brother or sister. Okay, and Mol wanted to say this thing. Okay. Yes, beta. Yes, well done. Okay. Life is the best teacher. Our experiences teach us how to become a good human being. Okay. And our family members, they teach us the most. So please make the lines and raise your hands if you have done. Introduction. And don't write the word introduction, please. Normal write in paragraph form. Next is Jasleen, after that Karthik. Yes, Jasleen. Yes, beta, speak up. Okay, no, beta, I'm not able to hear you. So next is Karthik. Jasleen, you can just rejoin the meeting.
Yes मैम।
Yes, beta. Have you written?
Life is, yes ma'am, I have written. Life is very large and beautiful, and it teaches us lessons in the form of some incidents so that we can make our life successful.
Okay. So that we can make our life successful and meaningful. Okay, well done. Next is Devang. Devang, please tell me your lines. Harman, quickly write.
All life is an experiment. All life is an experiment. The more experiments you make, the better. Life is a collection of mistakes. You will never learn if you don't make them.
Okay, well done. So our mistakes are the best teacher. If you don't commit mistakes, then you can never learn. Okay. So mistakes करनी भी जरूरी है life में. Okay, well done. क्योंकि अगर आप पहले से परफेक्ट हो तो आप न्यू तो कुछ सीख ही नहीं सकते ना. So mistakes are always good. So have you done introduction? Anyone from offline? Only Arshia Vita just spoke the lines. What about others? Yes, Jyotin. Jasleen, try to speak up now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vita, please speak up.
The best thing to spend on your relationship is time, conversation, understanding, and honesty.
Okay, this is one line. Another line. Okay.
And we should try to understand each other. Otherwise, we can create very great misunderstandings.
Okay. Okay. So everyone, please keep in mind that you have to make introduction for 2 to 3 lines at least. Okay. Otherwise, just lean your first line was very nice. Yes, Harman. Okay. Our brothers or sisters, they are like our friends, okay, and they are our heartbeat. Okay, nice. So next is Harmeet. Yes, Harmeet. Those who have made introduction, please start
Yes, ma'am.
describing the incident. What happened actually? Yes, Harmeet.
If only if only everyone had an amazing brother like you, the world would be a much better place.
Like you, like my brother, you can say.
Ma'am,
Okay. You means you are directly saying something to
okay, ma'am.
someone. Okay. So now please start describing the, yes, Jyotin, give me 1 minute. Now describing the incident. I'm giving you one hint or I'm giving you my idea. You can use your idea. Okay. My idea is that last Sunday, obviously it was a holiday. Okay. And my brother was not much happy because of because his performance was not up to the mark in exams. So he was irritated. Okay. And I started cracking jokes in order to just make him, feel good. But he just started shouting at me. Okay? Instead of just laughing, he started shouting at me, and I did the same. I also shouted at him, and we had a huge fight. Okay, then we went to our personal rooms. Okay, I was so angry in the beginning, but after that I just felt that I realized something, that I should not have behaved that way. He was actually upset, and when you are upset, okay, you never like jokes of someone. You even feel more irritated whenever someone cracks joke and you are upset. So I felt this thing, then I went to my mother. Okay, and I asked for her opinion, that what she thought, that who was the culprit. Then she replied the same. She said that it was my mistake. Okay, that was your describe the incident part. Now reflection, your sentiments. ठीक है, पहले इतना लिखो, डिस्क्राइब करो पहले जल्दी से. That was my idea, please use your own idea. What was the reason of the fight? How you fought, everything. But इतना भी डिस्क्राइब मत कर देना कि ये डिस्क्रिप्टिव पैराग्राफ बन जाए. 4 to 5 lines. You have 2 minutes for that. And please make your own paragraph. Don't just see the lines from the internet, please. Because teachers बेटा उनको 1 मिनट में पता चल जाता है अपनी लाइन कौन सी और देखी हुई कौन सी लाइन. डिस्क्रिप्शन आपकी जो है वो इतनी होनी चाहिए, दैट वी हैड अ ह्यूज फाइट. ठीक है, and our mother came there, she interfered and we went to our personal rooms. यहाँ तक बस description होनी चाहिए. Sentiments, feelings वो अभी next में. Only describe the incident. Guneet, unmute.
मैम मुझे इंट्रोडक्शन की एक लाइन आती है, बताऊं?
बता दो बेटा.
Brother and sisters are that enemies that cannot live without each other.
Okay, brothers and sisters are those enemies who cannot live without each other. Okay, well done. Jotin, what was your line, beta, introduction? You were raising hand. Okay. Describe the incident in past form only. Yes, Mitarthi.
Today in the morning on 8:30, we were playing a game like WWE, but it changed to a real fight. As fight was so dangerous, we were using pillows, bags, and pen and etc. At last, I was the winner, but my brother became upset, and we started the fight again. My father interfered in between, and we were locked in the same room. After living together, we realized
After, repeat from after, beta.
After living together.
Okay, till there, beta, that my father interfered and he ended our fight. Till here is your description. Don't write sentiments. अभी sentiments की turn आएगी. Till just यहाँ तक ठीक है. Okay. And please check your paragraph. You have to use second form while describing the incident. Past tense. Yes, Arshia. Arshia, please come here.
So yesterday I got in a fight with my elder sister over the TV remote. I mean, what else could it be? My sister just started counting the days when I had the TV remote. So I just told her that she could take the TV remote the next day. So she started shouting at me and said that I always tell her what to do. Then our mom stopped us and sent us to our rooms. First I was really frustrated, but then I felt very lonely as I...
So beta, she's saying I was frustrated. This is the part of sentiments. Okay. So description has been ended. Now she's telling us the sentiments.
At first I was really frustrated, but then I felt very lonely as I didn't have anyone to talk to.
So you have started your sentiments. Please complete them. Okay. So how you were feeling, they are the part of your sentiments. Okay. So after description, come to the sentiments part. That initially I was so angry and frustrated, but after some time I was emotional too and I was feeling so lonely. Okay? Yes, come. I will just take a round and I will see कि आपने कितना कितना लिखा. So please get ready.
Today, my brother's exam days were there. My exam got finished and teaching my brother for maths exam. He was not serious about it. Sometimes he wants water. He cracks jokes. He cracks jokes on concepts. In irritation, I slapped him and he shouted at me and we had a huge fight. I said that I am not teaching you. we get in our personal rooms, I realized that there was my mistake. I am his brother. I should have used sense and I should explain him in humble way.
Okay, this is your feeling. Okay. So check your beta tense. Past tense should be there in description. Otherwise, very well. Nice idea. That I was teaching my brother. Okay, he was not serious, and in irritation, I slapped him. Okay, nice. And I also warned him that I would never teach him again. So, description. Anyone else who can describe? Okay, Khushi. Khushi, just give me 1 minute. After Devang, you have to speak up. Devang, please
One day
describe
my
the incident.
brother
Yes.
came to One day my brother came to me as he wants my tablet, but I didn't give him. Then he pushed me and ran away with my tab. I started stopping him, but he didn't. My tab also cracked a little bit. I was in anger. After that, my mother came there and stopped us.
Okay, this is your incident. Okay. Now start writing the feeling after fight. What type of feelings you had? Okay. Okay, Khushi, please come.
Yesterday was a holiday of both of us. My brother was playing game continuously and he was not eating anything and not studying. He said, I do not want to eat anything because I am a superhero. And I laughed and said, go to study. Now I switched off the TV. Then he shouted at me. Then I also did the same at that time and I slapped him very slowly. Then we both went to our room. Then I realized that he is my younger brother. I should not do this.
Fine, fine. Good. So again, check your tense, beta. Somewhere I think you have used present tense. I think don't word you have used. Yes, Jotin, please come. After that, just lean Hermeet. And other students, why don't you better raise your hands? Yes. Describe the incident.
On a beautiful Sunday, I and my brother was playing cricket. He were playing cricket. He hit the ball on my face and I started shouting on him. He also started shouting on me. There was a huge fight. Then our mother interfered in our fight and we went to our personal rooms.
Okay, well done. So by mistake, he just hit the cricket ball on his face, and in anger, he just shouted at him. Okay. And after that, he will realize कि उसने जान के नहीं मारी थी ball. Okay. Okay. Now start writing your sentiments. In the beginning, I was frustrated and angry. और उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Please write down. Harmeet, then Jasleen, then Savya, Karthik, Drishti. Okay, so many are there. So quickly, beta, describe the incident.
Yes, ma'am.
Notebook लेके आना, मैंने देखनी है. Yes, beta, start describing the incident.
Recently, my grandfather brought two toy motor cars for me and my brother. Our joy knew no bounds. We used to play with them. One day, while we were playing, my brother suddenly took my motor car and ran away. I chased him and soon I caught him. Seeing himself helpless, he threw him. When I picked it up, I found it was of no use because it had badly broken. I became very angry and started beating my brother. Thus, our quarrel started. I was saying that he had thrown the motor car deliberately, but he was not ready to accept the truth. In the last, my grandfather came to the spot and took me to the toy shop to buy a new motor car.
Harmeet, you have used one word deliberately. What is the meaning of that word? Deliberately. You have used
मैम
one word
मैंने
deliberately. What is the
मैम
meaning?
एक पैराग्राफ में लिखा हुआ तो मैम वही लिख दिया मैम पता नहीं है meaning.
किस पैराग्राफ में लिखा था? कहाँ से देखा?
मैम पुरानी कॉपी पे थी मैम उसमें से देखा था मैम वर्ड लिखा हुआ था
That means you are cheating from somewhere. That's why you don't know the even meaning of deliberately, right? So there is no use, beta, if you are just writing it from internet or whatever. जिस भी source से आप cheating कर रहे हो, then no need to just write this paragraph. Because your exams are offline, then you will not get any internet and you will not get any notebook then. जहाँ से भी आप पढ़ रहे हो. And the surprising thing is कि मैंने same paragraph कुछ दिन पहले वैसे ही पढ़ा था. Because it is my habit कि मैं कुछ भी net पे पढ़ती रहती हूँ like that. And the same paragraph I read on internet. So Harmeet, my just suggestion to you is just you have to use your own words. Don't use the words like deliberately if you don't know the meaning of that. Okay. So next one is, everyone, if you have the same thing, if you have just seen it from somewhere, then don't raise hands, please. Next is Jasleen, describe the incident.
Yes, ma'am. Last Saturday, my sister was studying in her room, and I was feeling very lonely and bored. So I asked her if we could play badminton, but she denied. I went to my room, and then after some time, I again asked her if we could watch a movie, but again she denied, and I was very much sad. So I just said her that you don't give me time, and we don't spend our time we don't spend our time together. And then she slapped me. I was very much angry, so I left the room.
Okay, well done. Okay. So one suggestion to you is avoid using words you in the paragraph. Try to use the third person, he or she. Okay. So well done. But after sentiments, what lesson you have learned? Lesson may be that sometimes difficult situations come and we have to act wisely. Okay? We should try our best to do whatever. So lesson ye learn kiya. In future, I will just keep in mind how to handle the things properly. Okay? Yes, 1 minute. So Karthik, describe the incident.
Yes, ma'am. Last Sunday, I and my younger brother decided to play cricket. We decided to toss so that we can take first turn of batting. I won the toss, but my younger brother started cribbing to take first turn. We had a big fight and then we didn't play and wasted our whole time in fighting with each other.
Okay, well done, well done. So yes, we are having a cricket match and he won the toss and his brother said that no, I will still take the betting. Then they had a huge fight. This happened, I think, with all of us. That a brother or sisters, they just cheat a lot, right? But we have to act wisely instead of, we can just try to handle the situation intelligently. उसको ही घुमा दो अपनी इंटेलिजेंस के साथ, बेटर है लड़ाई करने से, ठीक है? So sentiments, how you felt after the fight, in the beginning how you felt and after some time, जैसे कि हम सारे feel करते हैं after the fight. In the beginning we are so angry that no, I will never talk to her or him just for 1 month maybe. But what happens, जैसे जैसे day खत्म होता है, we just come back to the normal life, ठीक है? So these are your sentiments. Then a lesson learned. Instead of fighting, we should tackle the situation intelligently and wisely. Okay? So next one is, yes, Jyotin, I'll give you turn. Achha, chalo, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Write this part. I think description is done now. Those who have done now, try to count your words. एक line में कितने words हैं? Those who have finished the paragraph, please tell me how many words you have written in one line. First line में कितने words हैं? 4 to 5 lines. अब ये लिखना. Okay. Chalo, on average, if you have 10 words in one line, then you have to write at least 15 to 20 lines. ऐसे 20 lines होनी चाहिए. Now check your lines. How many lines are there? Notebook की कितनी lines fill की हैं आपने? 16. Okay. So average अगर 10 words हो एक में तो कितने words हो गए? 16 lines multiply 10, 160 words. 160 word means a paragraph should be of 150 words at least. So that means you have reached the limit. In your exam also you will check like that. In the first line how many words, then number of lines, then multiply. Okay. ज्योतिन आपने पैराग्राफ सुनाया था ना, आई थिंक यस. किसकी टर्न नहीं आई? साहिब प्लीज स्टैंड अप फ्रॉम देयर. गो टू लास्ट लाइन. सेंटिमेंट्स ओनली. कौन सुनाएगा सेंटिमेंट्स?
Yes, ma'am.
अरमान आई विल कॉल यू. पहले अरमान की टर्न है. दृष्टि सेंटिमेंट्स ओनली. आफ्टर द फाइट हाउ यू?
When I went to my room, when I went to my room and realized that I should not did like this with him. Thus, he is my brother, and I tried to make him happy by saying, "Did not worry about that. Try to do more hard work next time, as hard work always pays off."
Okay, fine. So that is the, I think, okay, how you ended the fight. Okay, well done. So who will tell me the sentiments? Arman. After that I'll tell. Yes, Arman, sentiments.
Firstly, I thought that my mother did a right thing. Then I realized that this is my mistake, that I started irritating him and make him